Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Fopamtri artificial plant, specifically their 4-foot variation. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the retail box and packaging. They have multiple different height variations depending on your needs. This is the 1-pack. Again, it's the Bird of Paradise 4-foot artificial plant. Let's go ahead, let's open it up and see what's inside. Here are all the contents. You'll see everything that's included. So we have our base with the plants right here. We have some product literature. Looks like customer service contact card. Then we have our user guide and manual right here. Basically, you have some extra leaves that you will have to attach yourself, and they show you how to do that and how to spread everything out. So now let's go ahead, let's get this set up. All right, there we go. We have all the leaves installed. The hardest part is just bending them out to make it look good, but you'll get a feel for how we have ours so far. We'll be sure to make some more adjustments here in the future, but pay attention to the detail of it, the look, the aesthetic. Get a feel for the quality here. The height too, we got a couple taller leaves and a couple shorter and smaller leaves there too. Nothing at the bottom here, not real dirt or anything like that. Probably just some sort of plaster, giving it a good weight to support itself. But yeah, there you go.